In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your OpenAI API Organization ID, a task that we'll accomplish in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to OpenAI or need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process effortlessly. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your OpenAI account. Make sure you use your correct credentials to access the platform, as this is the foundational step in retrieving your organization ID. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard. If you're not sure where to go from here, don't worry, we're about to break it down. Next, look for the option that says Go to Billing. This is usually located within the main navigation menu or under Account Settings. Click on this link. It's a direct pathway to all things related to your account's billing and organization settings. This step is crucial as it leads you directly to the environment where your organization ID resides. After you've accessed the billing section, the next step is to find and click on the organization link. Within the billing overview, there should be an organization tab that will showcase all the organizations you are associated with. Go ahead and select it. This page is essentially the hub for managing your organization's details within OpenAI. Once you're on the organization page, you'll see your organization ID listed. It's typically displayed towards the top of the page, easily identifiable, and you shouldn't have any trouble spotting it. The organization ID is a unique identifier assigned to your organization, critical for any API-related activities. Having this ID on hand allows you access to a range of OpenAI's functionalities, streamlining requests and integrations. Now that you've located your organization ID, you'll want to copy it carefully. This ID can be very useful, whether you're making API requests or configuring a plugin like GLPI. Simply highlight the ID, right-click, and select Copy. Remember to store it safely, as it is a key component of your API interactions. However, it's important to note that viewing your organization ID requires having a payment method on file with OpenAI. If you don't have a payment method added yet, this might be a good time to set one up to ensure you're able to access all necessary information and services. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have your organization ID at your fingertips, ready to be used for all your API and integration needs. Remember, organization IDs serve as a bridge to enable and manage various tasks with the OpenAI API, making them an essential tool in your tech stack. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips.